Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I'm going to be working on this painting here. I really like the colors and like the design, but I think it could use a little pizzazz, so I want to put some embellishments on it and some resin. So I like these crushed glass gemstones in the ultramarine blue, which is the same blue that is in the painting, and I really like that burnt sienna, so I want to use that maybe with some glitter added to it. And I'm going to be using Stone Coat art resin. I really like this stuff. I think it will really bring out the depth of the painting and just kind of enhance it, over the whole entire canvas. So I have already put down the first clear coat of art resin, and I've added some stones and adding some of the colors. I did add some glitter to the burnt sienna, and I think that sparkle really adds to it. I'm going for more of a wispy look and not a defined line look. So the first coat has already cured, and I'm going to add a second coat because I'm really loving the depth that the wispiness of the white and the blue mingling in there together. So the colors on this, by the way, is medium gray, burnt sienna, white, ultramarine blue, black, Payne's gray, Cerelon blue. So I'm using those same colors and just adding little streaks with my popsicle stick and letting them blend into each other, heating them up so that the white will kind of fade over onto the blue and the burnt umber. Also using a swiping method with using a piece of parchment paper, just because again I don't want those defined lines. I really just want it to kind of be wispy and flow into each other. I found that parchment paper works really well for this. Let's add a little bit more Cerelon Blue, and then a little bit of white, and again we're gonna do a little bit of swiping and going back and forth different directions, just so that it be layered over each other when it does cure. I'm going to add a little bit more of the burnt sienna and swipe it along the lines with the white. Add a little bit more of the ultramarine blue. And then another quick swipe. And give it a little bit more swipe there with the white over that burnt sienna. I think it just makes it beautiful. So I'm happy right here where it's at. There's some gorgeous depth to it. And I'm going to let it cure, and we'll bring you back for close up of when it's finished. And here we go. It has cured beautifully. The wispiness of the white over those other colors, and the fact that it's layered has really added some depth to this. So I think it turned out great. Colors are fantastic. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. I'll be glad to answer them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Ring that bell and you'll be notified when I upload future videos. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.